In this question, we're given certain information about cos squared theta, and we're asked to determine the value of sine 2 theta and the value of sine 3 theta. Well, cos squared theta equals 11 over 36. We know that sine squared theta always equals 1 minus cos squared theta. So that's like saying 1 minus 11 over 36. That's 36 over 36 minus 11 over 36, which is 25 over 36. So sine squared theta is equal to 25 over 36. That means that sine theta is equal to the square root of 25 over 36, but there's a question as to whether we should put a positive sign or negative sign in front. So what we do is we look at where theta is. Theta is in the fourth quadrant. When you're in the fourth quadrant, the y-coordinate is negative. That means we need to put a negative sign in front. So sine theta is equal to negative root 25 over root 36, which means sine theta is equal to negative 5/6. So there's our value for sine theta. Okay. Our value for sine squared theta is right here. Our value for cos squared theta is right here. And let's determine a value for cos theta. Well, we know cos theta will be equal to the square root of 11 over 36, because that's cos squared theta. Question is, do we put a positive sign or negative sign there? Well, again, theta is in quadrant 4. And when you're in quadrant 4, the x-coordinate's positive. So that means we have a positive sign there. So cos theta is equal to root 11 over root 36. So cos theta is equal to root 11 over 6. Okay. So we're going to circle those 4 key values, and now we're going to answer the answer for sine 2 theta. So let's think of that as part A. Sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. That's equal to 2 times, in this case, negative 5/6 times root 11 over 6. That's going to equal negative 10 root 11 over 36. And negative 10 root 11 over 36 is equal to negative 5 root 11 over 18. So that's what the sine of 2 theta equals. Now let's answer what we can think of as part B. Part B asks us for the sine of 3 theta. Well, let's build a compound angle out of that, and we'll think of 3 theta as 2 theta plus theta. We know that the sine of A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Well, that's useful. We've got a value for the sine of 2 theta. We got a value for the sine of 2 theta, which I'm sort of highlighting right now. Okay. And we've got a value for the cos of theta, which we found right there. We've got a value for the sine of theta, which we found down there, but we don't yet have a value for the cos of 2 theta. However, we know that the cos of 2 theta equals cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. Now, look in one of the boxes, we have that cos squared theta is equal to 11 over 36. And we have that sine squared theta is equal to 25 over 36. So subtracting those, we get negative 14 over 36, which is negative 7 over 18. So now we can go back, think of this as an aside, and we can go back and continue our answer. This is equal to negative 5 root 11 over 18, because that's what sine 2 theta equals. I'm carrying on from this line right here. Negative 5 root 11 over 18. The cos of theta is root 11 over 6. The cos of 2 theta is negative 7 over 18. And the sine of theta is equal to negative 5 over 6. Okay, negative 5 root 11 times root 11. What we're going to end up doing is multiplying root 11 times root 11, and root 11 times root 11 is 11 over 108 plus 35 over 108. So like we said, the square root of 11 times the square root of 11 is 11. If you want to think of it as the square root of 121, which itself is 11. So we've got negative 5 times 11, which is negative 55. And that's over 108. And we're adding 35 over 108. Negative 55 over 108 plus 35 over 108 is negative 20 over 108. And that is, if we divide top and bottom by 4, that's equal to negative 5 over 27. So that's the value of sine 3 theta.